Hey, welcome to the September Digital YouTube channel where we talk about online business content creation and making money on the internet. In today's video, I will be showing you a great platform where you can sell your ebooks, your online courses, digital products with no monthly subscription. So if you're new to selling stuff online and you want to test out your product, this is a great platform to use. The platform name is Gumroad. Let's go ahead and check it out. So you go to gumroad.com. The design doesn't do it for me, but I just love what they offer. Okay, so let's go straight to the pricing. For 0 to 1,000 Rand, the Gumroad fee per transaction will be 9%. That's pretty low. But the higher you go when it comes to making money on Gumroad, the less they take from the money you make. Okay, as you can see here, $1,000 they take 7%, $10,000 they take 5%, 100,000 they take 3%. A million, they only take 2.9%. So the more money you make, the less they take from you. Okay, and you can see here, here's a comparison compared to other course selling platforms. Teachable on that $0 a month option, there's way too many limitations to even start making money with it. Okay, so the more you grow, you can move on to a subscription model. Let's go ahead and create our profile on Gumroad, and then we'll move on to creating our first product. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to say start selling. Okay, I'm going to input my email. I'm going to hide my email. All right, let's save the password. Okay, so now let's select a store name.gumroad.com. Let's just say a new online seller. Okay, new seller. Let's just say new seller. Is that taken also? New seller. Okay, fine. Profile photo, we can use a profile image. Let's just use one of my images. Okay, let's use that one for the photo. All right, pseudonym, organization name or full name. I'm gonna say September Digital. Okay, I sell cool stuff. Bio. All right, send me updates on new features and tips for creators. Great. All right, I think we're done here. Username is already taken. Let's say new seller 01 then. Continue. Now we have created our Gumroad profile. The next step, we'll be moving to creating our first product. Okay, so let's go ahead and select create product. On this page, as you can see, you can select the type of product you are going to sell. Okay, here you can see this digital product, course or tutorial, ebook, podcast, membership, physical good, audiobook, newsletter. We're going to select the course or tutorial. I'm going to say this course is make money online, money selling courses. All right, selling courses. Great. All right, the price, let's say it's $100 for the price. Let's select next. Okay, great stuff. Over here you can see there's a URL. You can edit the account name gumroad.com/i/ let's say passive income or costs for passive. Maybe that would be the link we prefer. Okay, all right, over here you can write the description of the product. Okay, what the course is about, why you created the course, the benefits of the course, what do you need to follow along with the course, all that good stuff. And then we go down here, we can upload an image for the course. Okay, this is going to be the cover of the course. So I'm going to upload, we're just going to select an image from my Mac right here. I'm going to go to Gumroad tutorial. We're going to use this one. Let's use this image right here. Okay, right here you can upload a thumbnail if you want. Here you can select the call to action. As you can see here, it shows the demo. It says I want this when the customer reaches the page, or you can change it to pay, or you say buy this. All right, but I like the I want this one. It's a bit gentle. Here, this is a summary, what you will get, all that stuff, just a nice subtitle for the course. And then here, you can call out important features of your product that help your customers or motivate your customers to buy. And then we'll move on. This is integration. Invite your customers to your circle community, invite Discord server if that's what you want. All right, I don't want that. Okay, here you can select if you want to give your customers the option to pay what they want. For some digital products, especially if you have an audience, with this one, you can end up making way more money than you think, and you can end up being able to get a few dollars from people maybe who wouldn't have afforded the $100. Maybe someone only affords $10, they pay you that $10. You still make the same from someone who wouldn't even have bought. So you can allow customers to pay what they want for certain products, and if you have a huge following that way. Okay, we're gonna leave it off. Here you can offer variation. Let's say it's the course, maybe with the 1 hour mentorship call. Here you can add variations. Okay, let's say plus mentorship call, mentorship plus video call or something, maybe video call. All right, description, what are the benefits of it, the additional amount. Let's say you say for the video call you say it's $30 maybe. Okay, great stuff. That's it, it's done like that. Below we find settings. Limit product sales. You can set a limit if you only want to sell certain units. Allow customers to choose quality. Publicly show the number of sales on your products. If you want to give people that social proof that people are buying the product, you have decent numbers, you can publicly show the number of sales that you are missing out. 100,000 people bought this product. Why aren't you buying it? You know. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna say save first. Save. All right. As you can see here, there's a new button. Plus video call, it's $130 total. It's adding that $30 to the $100. Now it's time to import the content. Gumroad is not that straightforward, but it's easy to figure out, you know. So it's product. Now we're going to switch to this tab, which is content. Okay, on content, now we're going to start uploading their lessons. Let's just upload one. All right, let's just upload one. Okay, I'm going to click on this right here, this attachment, and embed file or upload. Computer files. I'm going to import this why create an online course video. That will be our lecture. Okay, now it's uploading. Here there is a drop down icon. Okay, because this is a video course, there are things we have to make sure that we control. For example, when it comes to online courses, I prefer my students to stream the course, not download it. You just click this drop down icon on the lecture. If it's 10 lectures, you're going to do it manually, one by one, okay? And then we disable file downloads, just like that. Now we go to checkout while it's still uploading. Here we can apply discounts. Let's say you're doing a promo, you want to give your followers a discount, a 50% discount from the course. You can create a discount code here by selecting add discount, and the discount name will be SSD Loyal 50. Let's say that's the coupon name, and we say we're gonna give them, maybe it's $50, we're gonna give them a $50 off, or we can just switch it to a percentage, okay, so that it's more accurate. We'll just say 50%, and the quantity, let's give it to 100 people to get that discount. You just send the person the SSD Loyal 50, they can take advantage of that discount. Okay, not required. We don't need shipping information. This is a digital product. Button, okay, view content. I feel like view content is decent. And now we go to share. We haven't published. Sorry, we have to hit publish first, and then we're gonna go to share. And our product is ready for selling. Now you can see that's my thumbnail, make money online and stuff. Think about it. If you sell for $100, this company is only taking 9%. 9%. It's a good deal. Now let's go to our settings. I want to go to the payout settings. Okay, I'm an individual. My details, name, surname, address, all that good stuff. Here you have to make sure that you have your payout PayPal email. You just input your PayPal email so that when it's time to get paid, your money goes straight to your PayPal. Okay, payments, connect with your PayPal. All right, you connect your PayPal account, you log in, all that good stuff. and you are ready to get paid. So let's say someone buys the course Monday this week, you will get paid next week Friday. That's how Gumroad works. Upload your first product, give people access to buy your product. It's super convenient, straightforward, and people can pay you from anywhere in the world. And that's how you can start making money from Gumroad. Give it a try, check it out, let me know how it goes. My name is Sabata September, and on this channel I share online business, content creation, making money online stuff. If that sounds like your thing, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video.